Man, oh man, it's after Thanksgiving holiday and we still got more to go, like, whew. But anyway, y'all been asking about my hair, so why not give it to y'all right after the holiday? So straight up, y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it, man. Roll camera. What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks, the head what kind of sewer streetwear lover. Y'all know how that goes, man. Welcome to my channel, Cooler with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion. Now, if this is your first time tuning in to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, hit that notification bell, and make sure you drop a comment down below and let me know that you are a new subscriber, and I'll be giving you a shout out in my next video. Now, with that being said, man, shout out to my camera rolling squad, man. I'm about to list y'all names right here, man, because y'all had, it was a lot of y'all that definitely came through, man, so I want to show y'all some love real quick. Shout out to being a part of the family. Thank you for becoming a part of the camera rolling squad, man, and we're gonna keep this thing rolling. Now, with all that being said, man, now a lot of y'all been asking, like, man, what happened to the hair videos, man? We want to see the dreadlock come along, man. Like, we trying to see where your updates been. And I've been playing low key on that hair stuff for a while, just simply because I had to let this hair grow. I had to do some extra experimenting and everything with it. So just to give y'all a real quick, like, heads up on everything, this is like my 8th month, right? We leading into 8 months. We are at 8 months. So I went through what, already 2 different hairstylists. At the same time, while you growing your hair, sometimes you just have to figure out who's best for your hair, like who really knows your hair, who really understands your hair and can put it the way that you want it to. So what I did was I went to a 3rd stylist. So this is my 3rd time, and I think I found the perfect person. Not even think, I have found the perfect person for me, based off like how my hair texture is and how I want it to look at the same time. Now, with that being said, man, with it leading into 8 months, man, I just wanted to style myself up a little bit more. My hair is a little bit longer than what it was when y'all see me in my 1st month. It ain't twigs and berries no more, man. It's a little longer, so I got some growth. So I wanted to show y'all what it looked like with my hair in barrel braids, man. I finally got enough hair for it to be barrel braided, man. So let me go ahead and show y'all what it looked like real quick, because I'm excited. I hope y'all excited. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like right now. Boom. Yay! Wave check. Nah, it ain't no waves up in this joint, but it has flicking though. But my hair's flying. I want to get this style because I have a job, man. I can't always walk around with the hair like just laying to the side and everything. I do have presentations I gotta give and stuff like that. So sometimes when you are face to face with like your when you are face to face with a number of people, you want to show like your presentation is on point. I have to be presentable enough to present to people. So with that being said, I had to go ahead and get these barrel braids. It really does look clean. It's very professional. It looks clean, presentable. Take a look at it up top. That's the crown of it. Right side. And that's the left side. That's the back. Yeah, man, and we on, man. I feel real good about it. And crazy part is, a lot of people that be like, you won't be able to do too much when you got locks and everything. Really, you can. I mean, it just depends on what type of style you choose to get and everything. Like if you decide like I want barrel braids and everything, now I could wear like beanies, I could wear my snapbacks, if I wear a do-rag or something to make sure that my hair is not being pulled on or something like that. So that means I get to have some fun with like more of my styles, because I love wearing hats. That's my thing. But at the same time, I got hair, so it's like, but I'm still cool on that. I'm still using some oils, and I'm still using my I'm doing this white water rose. Now I have rose water, but this white water rose is really like cleaning my hair. I don't really have that much gunk in my hair or nothing. No more, none of that buildup. I have this oil that I'm using. I still am testing out different oils, which I'll be letting y'all know about really soon. I have a new oil as well that I've been testing out, and it's really good, and it smells good at the same time, and it's good for hair growth as well, which I was using last month, but I want to hold on like to tell y'all about that later when it's the right time. So I'll be telling y'all about that real soon, but in the meantime, I'm gonna finish up with my hair today and get this oil going real quick. So what I do is make sure I'm spraying in between the parts. And the best part about my hair now, with my stylist, what she did was make my hair a little bit more even. Like the boxes that I have in my hair is actually a little more even. So for the last stylist, it wasn't like they did anything wrong. It was just like now I have more of a certain pattern in my head. Like I have specific patterns that go against, like it doesn't go against the grain. It's not one box here, one box here, one box here, one box here. It's like straight across, kind of like an ice tray in a way. So I was happy about that, and it looks even. So that means I will have like I could do more styles and everything, and when it starts to get the more they expand and the longer they get, it will show that I have more full hair. It will give like this full hair presentation instead of looking like there's one side that got more than another. It'll give like the full presentation of my hair. So I'm really happy about that, which I couldn't be more excited about. Now, with that being said, man, I just wanted to show y'all how things look really quick. You gotta massage it in your hair a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you massage anytime you spraying oils and everything, and any spray in your hair to make sure your hair is moisturized. You wanna make sure that you massage things through your head, the scalp, especially when you can see it before all that new growth come in. Clean it up and spray it as much as you can. Not as much, not too much, but spray it enough and make sure that it's all clean and everything, so you won't have too much buildup, and it will stop all the itching and everything. But yeah, like I said, I'm super happy about this, man, and I'm super excited for this Loc journeys to continue. I'm only at 8 months. I got so much more to go. But like I said, man, I appreciate y'all watching the video. We are almost at 500 subscribers, and you know what that means. For my whole camera rolling squad that's been following me since day one, y'all already know I'm on the goal to 500, my first 500. Once I get there, man, I'll be giving away some free sneakers, and I'll be giving away some money. So if I could get there before Christmas, man, somebody is gonna have, either 2 people are gonna have, at least 2 people will have one hell of a Christmas. So if y'all could get me there before Christmas or leading into the new year, we trying to make sure that we get everything rolling. So I want to hit my first goal of 500. So help me out get there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you rocking with me on this journey, and yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I can, man. Until next time, I'm your homeboy Camcorder Banks. Y'all already know how that go. I'm out, I'm gone. I'll holla at you. Peace.
Enlightened creature here, ain't no man that I'ma fear. Godly and I hardly fuck with peasants. Going